Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Let's start. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative cover for a pillow that is made using crochet techniques. It involves creating a pleat of fabric by interlocking yarn with the crochet hook to form patterns and designs. These covers can be custom made, fit any pillow size, and can feature a variety of patterns, textures, and colors. They are popular for adding a handmade touch to home decor. Here are a few more advanced tips for creating a crochet pillow cover. Salt first. Always make a sauce to test your gauze before starting the full process. This ensures that your pillow cover will fit correctly. Join as you go. If you are making a cover with multiple scars or motifs, consider using the join as you go method to save time and reduce sewing. Use stitch markers for patterns with complex stitch counts or multiple colors. Use stitch markers to keep track of your progress and avoid mistakes. Try different textures. Experiment with various crochet stitches like bubbles, shells, or pop stitches to add texture and interest to your pillow cover. Incorporate color changes. Use color changes to create patterns or designs. Make sure to carry the yarn properly to avoid loose ends and uneven color transitions. Block each bit. If your cover is made up of different parts, block each bit individually before assembling. This helps maintain the shape and size of each section. Consider lining for added durability and a polished look. Consider adding a fabric lining to the inside of the cover, especially if you are using a lightweight yarn. Secure ends. Weave in all loose ends securely to prevent them from undulating. Use a yarn needle to hide and secure these ends. Test closer options before finalizing the closer method like buttons or zippers. Test a small sauce to ensure it works well with your yarn and pattern. Custom fit. If the pillow cover is for a specific pillow, consider adding a small border or adjust the pattern to ensure a snug fit. Use thread or yarn needle for assembly. When assembling the different parts of your cover, use a yarn needle or a thread for a clean and strong shape. Wash and dry. Follow the yarn manufacturers or recommendations for washing and drying your cover to maintain its appearance and longevity. Add personal touches. Customize your pillow cover with embellishments like rings, flowers, or textured stitches to make it unique. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!